Hey guys, welcome back. It's so good to see you again. Today is all about my everyday makeup. It's a kind of simple, chic, and at the same time clean girl makeup look. So if it sounds interesting and you like this makeup look, let's get into it. First thing first, hydration. I've been loving this daily treatment from Eliza Skin for a long time. This is something you could use every day, AM, PM, or under your makeup, especially if you have oily skin. Next up are under eyes. They are the windows to our soul, right? And for the lips, this lip oil from Sigma Beauty is everything. It feels like I'm giving my lips a 5-star treatment. You see how shiny my lips are. Now move on to foundation. This Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. You probably know it. It's like my skin, but better. I'm gonna blend it with my sponge. I don't want to bore you with my brow routine because it's the same as always, but this NYX Brow Glue had always my back. I have Flawless Filter under, but I'm going to apply Blurring Skin Tint by Fenty Beauty on top of it. This foundation is something that I use, I can say, every day. And you can see how beautiful it sits on the skin. I love doing a cream contour on my face. You can skip this part, but as I have a round face, I always keep this part in my makeup routine. Keep it in its place and just dab it into your face. Finally, concealer time. This beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer from Charlotte Tilbury. I think it's too much of concealer, but no problem. We're gonna blend it. I'm gonna blend this with my sponge too. Anyways, it absorbs excess products, but as I told you, this concealer is not a full coverage concealer, and you see it blends seamlessly. And last product that I'm gonna use to complete my complexion is cream blush. It's your choice to set it in this step and then apply powder blush, or maybe you wanna apply cream blush, which I believe is more natural than powder blush, and then you set your makeup. This is my current obsession. This is by Violette FR. Bisou blush. Bisou in French means kiss. Don't dab it directly into your face. If you apply it with brush, it will be more natural, and it's easier to control it. Let me tell you the truth. I know most of you are obsessed with this new trend, glowy, fresh skin makeup. I understand, I love it too, but to be honest, to have a long-lasting complexion, you have to set your makeup. You have to set cream products on your face. I don't want to say that heavy powdery effect, no, but to keep your foundation cream products on your face, you have to do that, even with a thin layer of powder. I'm gonna use this Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. Apply it under my eyes first. Well, I cannot make you to do that, but if you like this side, go for it. But to be honest, if you expect a long-lasting makeup, you have to set it with powder. I've been playing with this Makeup by Mario palette, and I also broke the mirror, which broke my heart too. I'm gonna grab this shade here and blend it into my crease. I definitely need to curl my lashes before mascara. Lash Clash by Yves Saint Laurent. And for lips, my favorite part, Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury as a lip liner. And then I'm gonna use Pillow Talk lipstick. You could keep it matte, but I'm gonna apply this lip tint by Rode just because I love this lip tint and it gives life to lips. And yes, that's the look. Simple, fresh, and so me. I would absolutely love to know what you think, so drop your thoughts in the comments and see you in my next video. Bye!